Getting into the Mount Coolum real estate market has been exceptionally difficult in recent times, but here at 7 Joy Court, we're located in a quiet cul-de-sac in a private flat block of land, and you could move in tomorrow and be perfectly happy, but there's definitely the ability to add some value. Why don't we take a look inside? Thanks so much for watching. If you can see yourself and your family lounging around by the pool coming into these warmer months, please don't hesitate to give me a call and we'll get you through for your own private tour.